Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make mini chicken pot pies. For this recipe you're going to need 1 cup of cooked chicken, you're going to need a can of cream of chicken soup, you're going to need a can of biscuits, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of frozen vegetables, you're going to need cooking spray, a muffin tin, a large spoon, and then a medium-sized bowl. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add our cooked chicken, our cream of chicken soup, and all of our frozen vegetables into our bowl. I'm just going to add my chicken. And I'm going to mix all of that together. So now I have my filling ready to go for my chicken pot pies. Now I'm going to spray my muffin tin. And you're going to need 10 slots. You're going to want to make sure you spray 10 slots. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 degrees. So now my oven's preheating and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up my can of biscuits. And I'm going to add 1 biscuit to each muffin tin. So I'm going to add 1 into each. Then I'm going to pinch the biscuits down into the bottom and I'm going to kind of pull them up the sides so that it kind of makes a pocket where the filling's going to go in. So look, I'm just pushing and I'm pulling up the sides and making a pocket for the filling. And now I'm going to add a spoonful of filling to each of the muffin tins. So you're going to pop these in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Depending on your oven, it may take longer or it may take less time, so just keep an eye on them and you will know that they're done when your biscuits are a nice golden brown. So I'm going to pop these in the oven. You're going to want to grab an oven mitt and then ask an adult to help you and pop these in the oven, like I said, for about 25 to 30 minutes. I hear the timer going off, that must mean they're ready. So I'm going to grab my oven mitt and I'm going to get them out of the oven. These look delicious and I can see the biscuits around them have a nice golden brown and even the tops are a little bit golden brown. So I know they are all done. So I'm going to let them cool and then I get to enjoy them. I hope you guys enjoy making these mini chicken pot pies and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!